Hotkey trigger. Triggers are the events that kickstart your workflow into action. In this lesson, we'll focus on configuring hotkey triggers for your workflows. Hotkey triggers let you run workflows using a keyboard shortcut. It's simply a key combination you set up to immediately start your automation right from your desktop machine. Here's how to set it up. First, create your RPA flow. Go to the My Flows page in your account. From there, click the Create button and then select Create Flow. Once you've created the flow and are on the Builder page, you'll need to select the trigger event for your workflow. Here, choose Desktop Event as the trigger event, then select Hotkey. Now configure the following. Select the required key modifiers, such as Control, Alt, Shift, and Windows key. Then choose the specific key you want to combine with your modifiers. You'll see the full shortcut combination you've created displayed, and you'll also see an option to prevent this shortcut from triggering an application's default action. For example, Ctrl+S usually saves a document. If you want this hotkey to trigger your RPA workflow, instead of saving, check this box. This ensures your RPA flow is activated, not the default system or application function. Once you've finished the configuration, click Done. And that's it! You've successfully configured a hotkey as the trigger event for your workflow. We'll explore other trigger types in our next lessons.